Hey friends, if you wish to know the driver location and directory where the drivers are stored on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, they are stored in the System32 folder, but it may vary depending on the driver. I'll tell you why. Because there are a lot of external third-party drivers like printer drivers, camera drivers, scanner drivers, and all, and these are stored at different locations. Okay, so here's the thing. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for the drivers which are problematic. Right click on the ones which you wish to know the locations of, select properties, and then select drivers. Click on driver details. Now as you can see, this is the location of the driver. There are many drivers, okay, there are many sub drivers to it, but these are the locations, the first two. So C drive, Windows, System32 drivers, and this one. C drive, Windows, System32 drivers, and then this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.